Hello, and welcome back to Pharmacist Michael's Happy, Healthy Living. Today we're going to talk about collagen, the incredible protein that's taking the wellness world by storm, promising benefits from rejuvenating your skin to strengthening your joints. But is it really the miracle supplement it's made out to be? Let's explore the science and myths behind collagen.
Welcome to Pharmacist Michael's Happy, Healthy Living channel, where you will learn how to improve your life, one video at a time.
Before we dive into the benefits, let's understand what collagen is. It's not just a buzzword. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, vital for structure and strength in our skin, hair, nails, bones, and joints. It's like the scaffold that maintains our body's integrity. Did you know that there's over 16 types of collagen? But types 1, 2, and 3 are crucial for us. As we age, our natural collagen production decreases, leading to signs of aging and joint issues. That's where collagen supplements come in, offering a way to replenish what we're losing. Now, first, let's talk about skin health, the most celebrated benefit of collagen. It's not just about looking younger. Collagen plays a critical role in keeping your skin firm, hydrated, and elastic. This can lead to a noticeable reduction in wrinkles and combating skin dryness. Several scientific studies support these claims. Regular intake of collagen supplements has been linked to enhanced skin texture, reduced signs of aging, and improved skin moisture levels. Collagen's benefits aren't skin deep. It's a game changer for joint and bone health. Collagen fibers provide support and elasticity to our cartilage, the protective tissue at our joints. Research has found that collagen supplements can alleviate joint pain and the symptoms of arthritis, acting as a cushion and lubricant in the joints. Additionally, it plays a significant role in bone health, potentially warding off bone density loss as we age. Beyond skin and joints, collagen's benefits are far-reaching. Its amino acid profile can aid muscle mass, which is crucial for overall fitness. It also supports heart health, contributing to stronger blood vessels. Some studies even suggest collagen can aid gut health, though more research is needed in this area. Emerging research is also exploring collagen's role in muscle repair, cardiovascular health, and even its potential anti-inflammatory properties. If you're thinking of adding collagen to your regimen, picking the right type is crucial. For enhancing skin health, types 1 and 3 are recommended. For joint support, type 2 is your best bet. Collagen supplements come in powders, capsules, and even gummies. For those who prefer natural sources, bone broth is a great option. Remember, consistency is key. You'll want to integrate it into your daily routine for the best results. While collagen offers amazing health benefits, it's important to remember it's not a magic solution. A balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle are paramount. And always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions. Thank you so much for joining on this journey into the world of collagen. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful health content. Here's to your health and well-being. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.